In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from your Showmax mobile app. So if you have been receiving a lot of notifications from this app, let me show you how you can turn them off once and for all. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now, the first thing you need to do is to access the app information page for you to be able to turn off these pop-up notifications. And to get to Showmax app information, you need to go to settings. So I'll go to settings here. And then from this, scroll down until you find this option called apps. Now for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From here, look for this option called manage apps or all apps or more apps, and then tap on it to open all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Now, once you have the list, go ahead and look for your app. And as you can see, my app is here. I'll go ahead and tap on it. Now you see we are on the app information page. Now, if it was difficult to get to this page, let me show you a shortcut method that you can use to get here. Now for this, go back and then look for your app. And instead of tapping on it, just go ahead and long press on it. And now you can see we have this app info option. If you go ahead and tap on it, it will take you to the same page. From this, scroll down until you see this option called notifications. As you can see, currently it is turned to yes. Go ahead and tap on it. And here we want to turn all these notifications off. Instead of turning off one by one here, just go to show notifications up here and then toggle it off. And this will turn off all the other notifications. From now henceforth, you'll never again see those pop-up notifications that distract you. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.